Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoCAD Mission 99. Today in lecture 3, we customize your AutoCAD workspace. Listen carefully. If your background is too bright, your eyes will get tired. If your cursor is too small, you will work slowly. Today I will show you how to set up your screen like a pro architect. Setting the background color. Type OP and press enter to open the options menu. Go to display and click colors. Select under the context 2D model space and under the interface element uniform background. Let's talk about the background. Many beginners use pure black. Like this one, this black. Apply and close. Okay, but that's a mistake. For long hours, you need charcoal. It protects your eyes and makes layers look sharp. Again, I will type OP and press enter to open the options menu. Instead of black color, click display, colors. Instead of black color, I will select selected color and go true color. Here is the RGB color. RGB means red, green, blue. I have a code for charcoal 33, 40, 48. Okay. Apply and close. Okay. See, it is the international standard for high-end design fonts. It is easy on the eyes and makes your lines look very sharp. For example, if I draw a line, L for line, I will discuss these commands later. See, looks how beautiful. If I type a rectangle, circle, see how beautiful. Very clear. Now we will discuss the crosshair size. Again, I will type OP and press enter to go the options menu. Go to display. Now look at the crosshair size 10. By default, it is usually small, around 5 to 10. Okay. However, some professional engineers set this to 100%. Why? Because it helps you align your walls and objects across the entire site plan. But for our AutoCAD Mission 99 projects, I will stick with the default 10. So again, I will go for options and press enter to open the options. I will make it 10. It keeps our drawing area clear and allows us to focus precisely on our work. Choose what feels most comfortable for your own eyes. Maybe 15, maybe 25, what you want. Now we will discuss about the crosshair color. Again, I will go for options and press enter to open the options menu. Click on display tab at the top. Look for the colors and click it. In the context column, make sure 2D model space is selected. In the middle column, selected crosshair. On the right side, under the color drop down, select white. If you want black, you select black, apply and close. Okay, but it looks not good for me. So again, I will type OP and press enter to open the options menu and display color. Under the interface element, select crosshair, and instead of black, you will select white. Apply and close. Okay. See the color. See the crosshair color is white. Now discuss about the pickbox and grip size. Again, we'll type OP and press enter to open the options menu. And let's select the selections tab. See, this is pickbox size and this is grip size. I recommend setting your pickbox to 25% to 30%. This is 100%. This is 50% almost. This is 25 to 30%. So you can catch your lines easily without straining your hand. Again, I will type OP and go to options menu for grip size. Keep them slightly smaller. This is 50%, this is 100%. You keep it 20% around. This keeps your work space clean and professional. Full control over your drawing points. Theme color. Again, I will go for options OP, press enter to open the options menu. Click display. Dark versus light. You must select dark. Why? Because it matches our charcoal background perfectly. Okay. In summary, use charcoal gray for eye comfort, 10% crosshair for a clean workspace, and a medium pickbox 25 to 30% for selection speed. For your homework, go into your options and find the perfect balance for your own eyes. Try that 30% pickbox and 20% grip we discussed. In the next lecture, we will dive into unit setup and limits. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Green Building Engineers and Architects. I am Engineer Ashok Das Pinku, and I will see you in the next one. Happy drafting. Om Shanti.